a part of our investment management and capital market course, we have edited a series of videos to make you understand the world of investing.
This video series is divided 4 seasons. It's focusing on the key in the topic in the capital market.
Each season is presented by different team members to make the learning experience more interactive and enjoyable.
We hope this project not only help you understand about investment concept, but also this project will help you to inspire, explore the capital market feature.
The purpose of this video series is to introduce basic investment concept to fellow students in a fun and simple way.
Through this video, we hope to support financial and encourage young people to start learning about the capital market early.
Begin the journey and welcome to the Capital Market School.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Seli Puja Pancariski and my partner, my name is Rasantri Maisinaga. Welcome to the first session of our Capital Market School.
Ever heard the money work for you, but don't know where to start? Relax, you are not alone. In this video, we'll break down how the stock market works, investment tips from stock, and tutorial on how to use iPod. From not knowing anything to being able to build your own portfolio. Here you're not just watching, you are learning and you are ready to become an investor of the future. Stay tuned, check in all Capital Market School material with IDX North Sumatra and Indo Premier Securities or iPod. Company profile PT Indo Premier Securities or iPod is the first integrated securities trading service provider company or stock, mutual funds, bonds, and ETF. In the Indonesian capital market, based on the licensee of the Financial Service Authority or OJK. The iPod application can be accessed through iPod on mobile, iPod on Windows, and iPod on the web. Next, iPod account registration requirement are that there must be an identity card, taxpayer identification number, or not identity, and personal saving account number. After completing the account registration, the investor will be created a stock account and customer fund account or RDN on behalf on the investor's own. Investor make a initial deposit and top up fund to the customer fund account or RDN number. Furthermore, investor can already make transaction. Next, iPod product consists of shares, number first, stock, and mutual funds and ETF. The next material will be discussed by my friends.
Get to know the capital market. Investment is managing assets so that the asset property can profit result later. Saving versus investment. Saving 1. The goal is to save. 2. There are saving base. 3. The transaction is deposit or 2. There are risk. 3. Buy and sell transaction. 4. Place of capital market transaction. Form of investment include shares, gold, property, branded goods, starting a business, and others. Young investor tips with 3P. Understand, have, and monitor. Investment goals: 1. Beat inflation. 2. Prepare for the future. What is inflation? Inflation is a process of increasing prices in general and continuous, or in other words, is a process of declining the value of money continuously. The benefit of investing the capital market are: 1. Capital gain. 2. Corporate action. And 3. ROPS, infinite to the general meeting of shareholders.
Ime-chan,
I
Nanigaski,
have so many stocks that I become a rich girl.
Sabe-chan,
I
Nanigaski,
learn at IDEX and be stock master. Sumi-chan,
I Nanigaski got an A in investment management course. Hello, we are from team 2. We will explain about iPod application like
iPod Chat, cash and portfolio and reports, transaction activities, IPO and information.
this is the explanation.
iPod Chat. iPod Chat is a chat-based investment community featured by entrepreneur Securitas that enables investors to interaction, collaboration, and access market information in real time on one platform, available on both desktop and mobile application. How to use? Access via a special menu in the iPod application. User can join investment community, private group, or broadcast channel for live market updates. Private message allows direct communicate with other investors or the iPod team. Customer service is also available via chat. Benefit: user can chat while monitoring and trading stock on the same screen. Receive instant stock notification and transaction without switching application. This fosters collaboration, quick information sharing, and reduce the feeling of investing alone. Cash and portfolio. This feature gives users a complete overview of their cash balance and investment portfolio within the iPod application. How to use? After login, select the portfolio menu, then cash and portfolio to see the detailed balance and portfolio holdings including stock, ETFs, mutual funds, and bonds. User can directly buy or sell assets from this page. Benefit: real-time portfolio monitoring, detailed fund and transaction status, and seamless transaction execution for the portfolio page. It helps users manage their asset and risk effective. Report. Provide comprehensive reports on investment effectively and performance. How to use? Access via the reports menu after login. Include transaction reports for stock, mutual funds, ETFs, bonds, funds, mutation, portfolio summaries, and tax reports. User can view, download, or print reports. Benefit: simple-based investment performance evaluation, supports financial record keeping and tax reports, and ensure transparency of all investment activities. Furthermore, there are menus that you can access, namely transaction activities. This menu lets you monitor all your investment transactions. The feature that can be accessed are transaction history or GL. This view history of share by
buys and sell, dividends, and other transactions. 2. Robo tax list. This is where you can view and manage ultimate trading tasks like automatically buying when a stock reaches a target price. 3. Periodic list. To view and manage regular transactions like monthly investment in mutual funds. The fund menu is IPO or Electronic Initial Public Offering. Use this to buy new stock or bonds listed on the stock exchange. The fund menu is IPO or Electronic Initial Public Offering. Use this to buy new stocks or bonds listed on the stock exchange. In this IPO menu, there are two sub-menus, namely stock. In the stock, you can view IPO details like company, name, price, date, and number of shares. 2. Book share using the app. 3. Check order status such as successful, pending, or failed. 4. Read company information and prospectus. In the bond, you can see available bonds offerings such as government and corporate. 2. Buy bonds using the app. 3. Check bonds details such as interest rate, term, maturity date, and rating. 4. Find your bonds order history. The sixth menu is information. Menu manage your account details and settings. The sub-menus that we can use in information I can explain as follow. Account info. You can view your name, CID, account type, and status. 2. Bank account can be used to see link bank accounts for deposit and withdrawals. 3. Change password. This feature is used to change your login password. 4. Change PIN used to replace the transaction PIN. And 5. Fund sub-account. This feature is used for manage multiple funding accounts for different investment goals.
The iPod application, there are several types of markets, namely 1. Regular market, 2. Negotiation market. The regular market has a provision that the purchase of shares is only per lot, and the share price must not be less than 50 Indonesian rupiah. Unlike the negotiation market, you can buy shares per seat and buy less than 50 Indonesian rupiah. iPod provides booster funds that can be used for trading, but are written for practice. For beginners, it is better not to use it. Okay? Well, successful stock purchase will show in the order status. Then the balance in the cash info decreases. If we withdraw funds, the money will transfer to a personal account. Oh yeah, the minimum is 100,000 Indonesian rupiah. If we have shares of capital market products, we are required to revert them, isn't it? And iPod provides these formats. This is very helpful, isn't it? In the iPod there are fees, namely just fee of 0.19% and sales fee of 0.29%. If the fee is this small, how can iPod make a profit? Oh, good thing. You know guys, I even want to have the speaker because of this. But yeah, then the transaction of the stock exchange reaches until 8 trillion rupiah. Yeah, you are absolutely right. I'm the one who should be given help. The thing to remember is that withdrawal will always use a personal account. But if the deposit can be through anyone's account, such as sibling, parents, a family, and boyfriend if you have one. And then as a security, iPod also provides fingerprints. In addition, there is a chat feature. If your contact has an iPod account, you can chat them. There are also simple lines, fast and faster. Just choose. But if you are a beginner, choose the single one because the password is a bit complicated.
But first, we talk about the difference between a trader and an investor. A trader usually plays fast. The goal is to make quick profit, but the risk is higher too. Meanwhile, an investor is more relaxed, thinking long term for the future, and the risks are generally lower. Now, fundamental analysis is more suitable for those of you who want to be long-term investors and don't want just get around.
In fundamental analysis, there are third main thing we look at. The first, the company financial statement to assess whether the company finances are healthy. The second, the current stock price, and the third is fair value. This is the real value of the company based on its performance. These three factors help us assess whether a stock is overpriced, undervalued, or fairly valued.
There are two common approaches to doing fundamental analysis. The first is the top-down approach. The fifth is the top-down approach. When you start by analyzing the national economic condition, then the industry, and finally the company. The second is the bottom-up approach. Starting rightly from the company analysis and looking at the industry and the overall economy. Choose the one that suits your style best.
Basic internal company factor, we also need to consider broader economic condition. For example, we can look at GDP or gross domestic product, exchange rate of the rupiah, Bank Indonesian interest rate, inflation, and even overseas interest rate like the Fed fund rate. This profit on overview of the overall market conditions.
Now, here are some important tips for choosing stock using fundamental analysis. Please, understanding the business and the product of the company you are targeting. Second, check the market capitalization. Generally, the bigger it is, the more stable company. Third, calculate how the profitable company is ROA, how efficiently the asset generates profit, how the most profit made from the shareholder equity, and the MPM, the percentage of the sales become the net profit.
Also, don't forget to check DIR, debt to equity ratio, which show how much debt the company bears compared to its equity. Allow DIR means the company does really too much on debt, which is severe. Then third, PIR or price to engineering ratio to see whether a stock is expensive, or price to engineering ratio to see whether a stock is expensive or cheap compared to its engineering, and PBV, price to book value, so how the stock price compares to its book value. The lower the PBV and PIR, the cheaper the stock make the be, but of course, you still need to compare it with other companies. You can also see if the stock is party of indicators like RQ45 or IDX 30 because they usually consist of well-established companies. Lastly, don't put all your money into just one type of stock. Otherwise, diversify to reduce risk. That was explanation about fundamental analysis, a key tool of making smart investment decisions.
We hope this can help you understand how to balance the company value before buying the stock.
Thank you for watching. This is third season of Capital Market School.
See you next session. Don't forget always invest wisely.
Level 4 material is technical analysis. Technical analysis is a method of analyzing stock price movements and based on historical place and volume patterns. By understanding previously formed patterns, investor can predict future price trends. There are several types of charts used in technical analysis, namely line chart, bar chart, and candlestick chart. Line charts are the simple types of chart that simply connect closing price with a line, providing an overview of price movements. Bar charts, on the other hand, provide more information, including the opening, closing, highest and lowest price in a single bar. Candlestick charts have an advantage over bar charts in that they display price information with clear visualization through color, making it easier to identify bullish or bearish trends.
And then, price movement trends and supporting indicators. In technical analysis, there are three main trends in stock price movements, namely bullish, bearish, and sideways. A bullish trend occurs when price continues to rise with increasingly higher peaks and valleys. While a bearish trend occurs when price decline with increasingly lower peaks and valleys. If the price moves within a certain range without an upward or downward trend, it is called a sideways trend or consolidation area. In addition to understanding trends, there are supporting indicators such as support and resistance, where support is the price level that usually holds the price down, while resistance is the price level that usually holds the price up. Technical indicators such as moving average are also used to calculate the average stock price over a certain period to help investors identify trends and make more informed decisions in stocks trading.
And that's the end of our video.
We hope you enjoyed learning as much as we enjoyed presenting it.
But remember, the stock market is not a place to get rich quick.
But guys, crucially, understanding the capital market is the investment to your future.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to thumbs up.
And share it with your classmates, friends, and your family. Who knows, maybe someone in your family is the next Warren Buffett.
And that's the end of Capital Market Series, and thank you for watching, learning, and lunching with us.
Bye-bye! And welcome to the world of Capital Market!
Selanjutnya ada beberapa data tambahan info di sini. Ini perlu karena ini melakukan kedepannya kesulitan mengaktifkan kembali akunnya. Jadi ada beberapa data yang perlu diperhatikan.